Namaskar. So in this lecture, in this session, we will discuss levels of automation. So in previous lecture, we discussed some advanced functions of automation. So concept of automated system can be applied to various levels of factory operations. In factory or in manufacturing system, so there are various levels. So you can see the particular person, human being, or one device. So in particular machine shop, there are on a machine there are many devices. Machine consists of many devices. Then one shop consists many machines. One plant consists of many shops, and one enterprise consists of many plants. Okay, in this way, so there is a levels. So one normal, in case of our college, okay, so one student, then along with student batch, then total class of 68 students. Okay, then similarly, so for our department there are 3 classes, SET and BE. And for our institute there are 5 departments. So in this way there are levels, the student level, class level, department level, or institute level, or university level, state level, and national levels. So these are levels. So one normally associates automation with the individual production machines. However, the production machine itself is made up of subsystems that may themselves be automated. For example, a modern numerical control, that is NC machine tool, is an automated system. However, the NC machine itself is composed of multiple control systems. Similar to NC machine is often part of a larger manufacturing system. A larger system may itself be automated. Thus, there are various levels of automation. So you can see in a figure, so there are various levels. So the first level, that is device level, sensors, actuators, and other hardware elements you can see in a diagram. So here, so device level. So this is the lowest level in automation hierarchy. So it includes the actuators, sensors, other hardware components that comprise the machine level. So the devices are combined into the individual control loops of machines. For example, feedback control loop for one axis of CNC machine or one joint of an industrial robot. Then second is machine level. Hardware at the device level is assembled into individual machines. For example, in CNC machine tools, similar production equipments, industrial robots, powered conveyors, automated guided vehicles, these are machines. So control functions at this level include performing the sequence of steps in the program of instructions in the correct order and making sure that each step is properly executed. Then third is cell or system level. In this manufacturing cell or system level, which operates under instructions from the plant level, a manufacturing cell or system is a group of machines or workstations connected and supported by a material handling systems, computer and other equipment appropriate to the manufacturing process. Production lines are included in this level. Likely functions include part dispatching and machine loading, coordinating among machines and material handling systems, and collecting and evaluating inspection data. So this is the third level, that is cell and system level. And the next is plant level. So plant level, so this is the factory or production system level. It receives instructions from the corporate information system and translate them into operational plans for production. Likely functions include order processing, process planning, inventory control, purchasing, material requirement planning, shop floor control, and quality control. And then next is enterprise level. So last is enterprise level. So this is the highest level, consists of corporate information system. So it concerns with all of the functions necessary to manage the company: marketing and sales, accounting, design, research, aggregate planning, and master production schedules. So these are 5 levels. So automation is concerned with each at any level. It depends upon their budget available and the system requirement. Okay, this is about levels of automation. Okay, is it clear? So level means, so it comes from device level to machine level to cell or system or shop level to plant level, and then lastly enterprise level. So here it is applied to various levels in factory operation. In next lecture, next session we will discuss different types of automation. If you have any doubt, you can write in a comment box. We will discuss in next session. Okay, thank you very much.